Hey everyone, if you're getting a file permission error in Logseq, unable to save notes, open pages, access your graph, or modify files, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq file permission errors in 2026. First, make sure the graph folder still exists and is accessible. If the folder has been moved, renamed, deleted, or stored on a disconnected drive, Logseq may lose access to it. Next, check your operating system's file permissions. Verify that your user account has permission to read and write files inside the Logseq graph folder. Another common fix is restarting Logseq and reopening the graph. Temporary permission-related glitches can sometimes be resolved with a fresh launch. If you're using Windows, right-click the graph folder, open Properties, and make sure the read-only option is not preventing Logseq from making changes. For macOS users, open the folder's Get Info panel and verify that your account has read and write access to the graph directory. If you're using Linux, check the folder ownership and file permissions to ensure Logseq has the required access rights. Another helpful step is running Logseq with appropriate permissions if your operating system requires additional authorization. And that's how to fix Logseq file permission errors in 2026. In most cases, verifying folder access, adjusting permissions, checking cloud sync settings, and updating Logseq will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.